Now let's shift our focus as a political face-off heats up over Ambedkar. Congress seems to have stooped to even newer low. Now Karnataka government minister and Mallikarjun Kharge's son Priyank Kharge has made a very distasteful remark. How much ever Basa philosophy and Ambedkar philosophy gains traction, the RSS philosophy collapses is what he said. I condemn Amit Shah's statement and he's bitten by a mad dog. These are the exact words that have been uttered by Priyank Kharge. Let's listen in to that statement first.
ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ತತ್ವ ಬಸವ ತತ್ವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕುಸಿತ RSS ತತ್ವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹುಚ್ಚನಾಗಿ ಕಡ್ದಿದೆ.
What happened to their leader when they insulted Ambedkar, when they defeated Ambedkar, when they denied Bharata Ratna to Ambedkar, and they opposed his cremation in Delhi, and also a memorial in his name where his last rites had taken place, all such things. At that time, what had happened, Mr. Kharge should reply. And I only tell Mr. Priyanka Kharge, whatever our political differences, so far as I have seen, they are always talking against the mandate of the people.
प्रियांक खड़गे ने एक बयान दिया है अमित शाह पे. उन्होंने ये कहा है कि उनको किसी कुत्ते ने काट लिया है. ऑल दिस बिकॉज जो अम्बेडकर राव चल रहा है उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मानसिक रूप से बीमार हो चुके हैं और उनको लगता है कि कितना चमचई कर ले. उनके पिताजी को राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बना के रखा है. वो सब जानते हैं कि कैसे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, क्योंकि वहां तो माता जी, भाई जी, बहन जी, 3 नेता हैं, तब न चौथे नंबर पर खड़गे जी हैं. लेकिन आपको ये समझना होगा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ये सोचती है कि हम ही देश को चलाने वाले लोग हैं, दूसरा कोई नहीं चलाएगा. देश के आजादी के 75 वर्षों में 55 वर्षों तक कांग्रेस ने इस देश को लूटने का काम किया. ये लूटने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं.
And up next was Prime Minister Modi is in Kuwait for a 2-day visit. The historic visit marks a first by the Prime Minister in 43 long years. Now, as the day 2 kicked off, there's a lot lined up for the two countries. Take a look at this report.
Prime Minister Modi is in Kuwait for a 2-day visit. His visit comes at the invitation of the Emir of Kuwait. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received a ceremonial guard of honor at the Bayan Palace, which is the Kuwait Emir's official residence. Besides this, Prime Minister Modi will also hold a separate meeting with the Emir and the Crown Prince Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah. This will be followed by signing of an MOU with the Kuwaiti Prime Minister, along with discussions on political relations, trade, investment, defense and culture. The Prime Minister will also hold a press briefing post his diplomatic talks. The Ministry of External Affairs has said that the visit is expected to open a new chapter in India-Kuwait relations. With Kuwait currently chairing the Gulf Cooperation Council, Prime Minister Modi's visit is expected to bolster India's engagement with the influential bloc comprising of Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Kuwait. India's trade with GCC countries stood at a robust $184.46 billion in 2022 to 2023, emphasizing the region's significance to India's economic and strategic interests.